Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to keep up with your Apple Pencil. And so for demonstration purposes, we're using our iPad 11 Pro, and of course we have our Apple Pencil, and this is the second generation pencil, and we have our Flexbook Touch 6-in-1 keyboard case. Now I really like this keyboard case. Like it says, it has 6 different positions it can do. And one of the features I really like about it is that it's able to swivel. So you can swivel it this way or swivel it the other way. But that is a great feature to have. Also, I really like the RGB LED backlight. That adds an extra ambiance to the keyboard itself. You can have the lights going as it's cycling, as you can see through the different colors we have here: red, purple, blue. I believe there's about 6 colors that it cycles through. So if you guys are interested in any of these items, we will leave links for you down in the description area. And so in this video, we're going to show you how to keep up with your stylus. So your stylus generally sits up here at the top of your keyboard, which is fine. That magnet is pretty strong, but you can easily hit it and knock it off, putting it in a bag that you may carry it in, like a backpack or even in a briefcase. And so I saw this item and thought this was a great idea to be able to keep up with your Apple Pencil, and that is using the stylus sling. And so as it says, you can stash your stylus. It says easily store and remove your Apple Pencil. It fits over, and this will fit over your iPad Pro cover or keyboard. And this is made for the Apple Pencil first generation. You can also use this for the second generation too. Has a extra little pocket on there too for the adapter that you would use for the first generation Apple Pencil. And so this looks to be a really nice item to use, and definitely something to help you keep up with your Apple Pencil. So with that being said, let's open it up and see what's inside. And so at the pull it out, we have a piece of cardboard that holds our sling, and so we're going to take that off real quick. And so the sling is the stretchy material, kind of elastic type. And so what it does have, it has a pocket up here, and with that pocket you would grab your stylus and stick it down in there. And so you would stick your Apple Pencil down in there, and it has an extra pocket right here to where you can put the adapter if you're using the first generation Apple Pencil. But it's a stretchy material. So we turn our keyboard around like so, and the way it fits is you would stretch it out and it would go around your keyboard here. And so it would go around it like so, and then you can close it like this, and it will hold your pencil secure. And so you can shake it. So this is definitely more secure than the magnets on the side, which is great. To carry it, I think this sling is excellent. Put that over your keyboard there, so you don't have to worry about knocking the pencil off and it, falling into your bag or your briefcase, and then you're searching around looking for it. And so all in all, I think this is a great idea. The stylus sling is very practical and very useful in my opinion. So that's about it for our video for today, how to keep up with your Apple Pencil using the stylus sling. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.